Welcome to Home Pantry Pro. Today we are diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your culinary adventures, the NutriChef 14-piece non-stick pots and pans set. Now, I know what you might be thinking, another cookware set. But trust me, this one brings a lot to the table, or rather, to your stovetop. We've spent considerable time putting this set through its paces, and we're ready to give you the full, unvarnished truth. Let's start with what you get in this substantial 14-piece collection. It's not just pots and pans, you also get a suite of helpful cooking utensils. We're talking assorted pots and pans, a jumbo cooker for those larger family meals, small and medium skillets and even a griddle pan. The inclusion of a slotted spatula, pasta server, and soup ladle means you're pretty much set for many common cooking tasks right out of the box. This is a major plus for anyone looking to equip their kitchen comprehensively without buying everything piecemeal. One of the most significant features is its versatility across different cooktops. This set is compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops, which is standard. But it also boasts induction readiness. This is a big deal for many modern kitchens, and it's great to see manufacturers embracing this technology. However, there's a small caveat to be aware of: the 1.4-quart smallest pot is not induction safe. So, if you're solely relying on induction, keep that in mind when planning your initial purchases. The core of any good non-stick cookware is, of course, the non-stick coating, and NutriChef emphasizes a durable, 3-layer non-stick system. The goal here is easy food release and, crucially, effortless cleaning. We've all been there with stubborn stuck-on food, and it's a genuine test of any non-stick. The exterior features a heat-resistant, hard-anodized lacquer, which not only adds durability but also gives the set a sleek, sophisticated look. Furthermore, the stackable design is a thoughtful touch for those of us with limited kitchen storage. It makes a noticeable difference in keeping your cabinets organized. Safety and comfort are paramount in the kitchen, and NutriChef has addressed this with their CoolTouch silicone handle grips. These are not just flimsy covers, they are integrated into solid cast iron handles, providing a robust feel. The form-fitting silicone offers a comfortable and secure grip, which is essential when you're maneuvering a hot pot full of food. We found these handles stayed surprisingly cool even during extended cooking sessions, minimizing the risk of accidental burns. And for an added layer of convenience, these handles are dishwasher safe. Monitoring your cooking progress is made easy with the see-through tempered glass lids. These are made from durable tempered glass, allowing you to peek at your simmering stews or bubbling sauces without losing valuable heat and moisture by lifting the lid. Each lid is also equipped with vent holes to allow steam to escape, preventing overpressurization. This feature might seem minor, but it contributes significantly to consistent cooking results. Even heat distribution is another critical aspect of quality cookware, and NutriChef claims superior heat retention and even distribution thanks to the high-quality pressed aluminum metal construction. The coating thickness is also mentioned, suggesting a well-engineered product designed to prevent hot spots. This is vital for everything from searing meats to gently simmering delicate sauces. Uneven heating can lead to frustrating inconsistencies in your cooking. Let's break down the pros and cons based on our experience. On the positive side, the 14-piece set offers incredible value, providing a comprehensive collection of cookware and essential utensils. The induction compatibility, with the one noted exception, is a significant advantage. The non-stick coating performs well for everyday cooking, making both food release and cleanup considerably easier. The CoolTouch silicone handles are a real comfort and safety feature, and the tempered glass lids are functional and well-designed. The overall aesthetic of the set is also quite appealing, adding a touch of elegance to the kitchen. The stackable nature is a practical bonus for storage. However, no product is perfect. While the non-stick coating is good, we need to temper expectations. For extreme durability over many years and heavy-duty use, professional-grade cookware might be a different category. The one exclusion from induction readiness on the smallest pot is a point to consider for dedicated induction users. And while the handles are comfortable and stay cool, the attachment of the silicone grip is something to monitor over the long term with frequent dishwasher use, although our testing showed no issues. In conclusion, the NutriChef 14-piece non-stick pots and pans set is a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchenware or start from scratch. It strikes a great balance between functionality, convenience, and affordability. The set is well-rounded, offering a variety of pieces suitable for a wide range of cooking styles, and the thoughtful design elements like the cool touch handles and tempered glass lids enhance the user experience. For the price point and the sheer number of items included, this set is a very compelling option. Link in the description.